This old room was dingy and boring, but I've got a baby girl on the way, so let's turn it into a fun and colorful nursery. First, I found the perfect sky blue paint and gave the walls a fresh coat. This immediately brightened up the room. Then I took down my old blinds, put up some new yellow drapes, and added a stained glass film for privacy from the neighbors. Now we get that gorgeous sunlight without strangers being able to see in. Then I set to the internet for my favorite part, shopping. I was thrilled to discover the wide selection of affordable furniture and decor on Overstock. The best part, Overstock can deliver in as little as 1 to 2 days. I immediately started pulling boxes into the nursery to get started. I am in full nesting mode, so being able to one-stop shop and get such quick shipping was so satisfying. I have to say this was the easiest piece of furniture I had ever assembled. The hardware kit is clearly labeled with everything you need, and the instructions leave absolutely no room for error. I didn't even need to break out a drill or a screwdriver. All I needed was the handy Allen wrench that it came with. If I can do this nearing my 3rd trimester, anyone can. Then we unwrapped the dual-sided crib mattress, let it expand in the crib, and covered it with this adorable $25 crib sheet. Look at these precious watercolor farm animals. I love it even more than expected. The rocking chair was somehow even easier, taking only 5 steps to assemble. The subtle pink and white pattern is so cute, and these side pockets are perfect for supplies and necessities. And believe me, it's even cozier than it looks. Overstock believes that finding that perfect piece for your home at a fraction of the cost is a win-win. Which is exactly how we replaced this plain fixture with a gorgeous sparkling light for only $120. It brings so much fun and bling to the room, I can't believe how affordable it was. Next is the changing dresser. One thing I was happy to discover, on top of furniture and decor, Overstock really has everything you need for the home. For example, I wanted to bring the bling from this chandelier into the room, so I found these affordable crystal knobs to change out the original handles of this dresser. It was such a quick and cheap upgrade, but it added so much personality and sparkle. With the furniture in place, it was time for the finishing touches. Hanging up this glamorous mirror, adding some art prints, placing decor, blankets, plushies, filling out the book ledge, putting up her clothes in this gorgeous dresser, then stocking it with some essentials, now adding her name above the crib, and finally some baby proofing. And just like that, our nursery is complete. And I cannot believe the transformation that happened in this room. It was so dingy and lifeless, and now it is so full of color and cheer. I cannot wait to bring my daughter home and watch her grow up in this room. Overstock is all about making dream homes come true, and that is exactly what they did for us. I had no idea that with our budget and timeline that we could get such an amazing space. If you loved this space, check out our link. I made a list of all the products used in this room for you to check out. A big thank you to Overstock for making our dream nursery a reality without breaking the bank.